Welcome to Adaptive Recognition How-To Video Series. Understanding Single and Multiple Licenses. Carmen licenses are supplied to you by ARH in the license file, which is a simple text file, the extension of which is .ukey or .ukeys. Make sure that the license file has been downloaded onto your computer. Licenses are always generated for a specific hardware key, which means you cannot upload licenses onto any other hardware key than the one they have been generated for. This also means that you will not be able to upload a license after you change the serial number in the name of the license file if that license was not generated for your hardware key. Therefore, when ordering a new license, always check with utmost care the serial number of the hardware key for which you request the new license and send them to ARH precisely. The license manager will look for licenses on your computer which correspond to the hardware key that is attached to your computer. If no hardware key is attached, it will not display any licenses from your computer. Therefore, in order to enable display by the license manager of the saved licenses, attach your hardware key to your computer. Please note that the hardware key was designed to work at maximum performance with a 2.0 type USB. Now, locate the folder where the license file is stored. In the Upload Licenses frame at the right end of the License Directory field, click on Browse. Then, do not open, only select the folder where the license file you want to display in the License Manager is stored. You can see at the bottom of the Find Directory window that the License Manager is looking for files of type licenses. Notice the extension .ukey or .ukeys. Click Choose. Now the License Directory field in the License Manager shows the entire path to the license files on your computer, and below in the Saved User Licenses field, all those licenses are displayed, the serial number of which is identical with the serial number of the hardware key that is attached to your computer. In this case, the License Manager found a single license, so in the Saved User Licenses field, this license is displayed in one single row. So far, so good. But what about multiple, dual, and quad licenses? If the License Manager finds a dual license, it will display it in not 2, but 3 rows. 2 rows represent the licenses themselves, and the 3rd row, which represents the so-called summary license, is the one which tells Carmen that it is allowed to run 2 ANPR processes in parallel on 2 core. Note the description of the summary license is Carmen Core 2, which means this is a dual license. If the License Manager finds a quad license, it will be displayed in not 4, but 5 rows. 4 rows represent the licenses themselves, and the 5th row, which represents the so-called summary license, is the one which tells Carmen that it's allowed to run 4 ANPR processes in parallel on 4 cores. Note the description of the summary license is Carmen Core 4, which means this is a quad license. So far, you've seen how multiple licenses of Carmen ANPR SDK are displayed. But what about Carmen Go? How are Carmen Go licenses displayed? When in the selected folder the License Manager finds a Carmen Go license, it will display it in a similar way, but there will always be one additional row for the number of streams to process. 1, 2, or 4 rows will show the number of licenses, depending whether it is a single, dual, or quad license. In case of a dual or quad licenses, there will be a 3rd or 5th line for the summary license, and for Carmen Go, there will always be one more line specifying the number of streams Carmen Go is allowed to process in parallel. In the example on the screen, you can see a quad Carmen Go license display in 6 rows with the maximum number of streams, that is, 8, to be processed in parallel. Thanks for watching. For more videos, check our channel and don't forget to subscribe.